Hey, what's happening, guys? Hope you're having a great start to the week. So we are entering into week 3 of this 8-week challenge version 2.0. So I wanted to announce a little mini challenge for this week. Okay, it's important that we're looking at different things to get our bodies to move in the right direction, lose a bit of weight, feel good, sleep really well, optimize our hormone production, and all those good things. Now, there are 2 things that I need you to do this week. The first thing is that obviously I want you to still put the intention what you're going to do for the week. If you're going to do 5 sessions of the week, once you've done your first session, add on there to the WhatsApp group 1 out of 5. As you've done your second workout, 2 of 5, like we've been doing over the first 2 weeks. The mini challenge for this week, okay, number 1 is to make sure that you do something in a workout that pushes you very close to failure. So what I want you to do, every time we do a bit of other bodyweight exercise or your resistance training, I want you to choose one exercise, and on the last set of that exercise, I want you to go very close to failure, which means that you shouldn't be able to do another rep, or very close to not being able to do another rep. So for example, if you're doing a squat and you're doing your squats and you're on your last set of 15, as you do your last set, you're going to go up and beyond the 15 rep mark. You're going to go up to like even 30, 40, 50 reps if you can. I want you to really push the last set of one exercise every single session. So you're essentially going to be pushing your body beyond what it's normally used to. And that's a good thing. I want your body to be tested. I want you to push yourself a little bit harder in one set of one exercise in this week. So for example, if you do a session tomorrow, which is Tuesday, and you choose to do legs, and you're doing lunges, and on the program it says you have to do 10 reps. On the third set, on your last set, instead of doing 10 reps, I want you to go, even if it's 20 or 30 reps per leg, and finish that set, you know, in a really challenging way to get past or close to failure. That's the first challenge, okay? If you're not too sure exactly what I mean, then inbox me, private message me, and I'll confirm with you. And then the second thing is, in every single session that you do this week, I want you to do an extra 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Let's do 5 to 10 minutes of cardio on top of what you've done already. So you're going to do 5 workouts like you've done every single week. But at the end of every single session, you're going to add an additional 5 to 10 minutes of cardio. So if you're doing cardio, walk a little bit longer. If you're doing weight training, do your session, but then finish off with 5 to 10 minutes according to time. Make sure that you do at least 5 to 10 minutes of cardio at the end. So by the end of the week, you've done a little bit of extra exercise as compared to the first 2 weeks of this challenge. So that's the first, that's the mini challenge for this week. The mini challenge is to pick an exercise, one set, at the end of that set, the last set, go close to failure of that. But make sure that you're obviously not doing anything that's going to harm you. If you're not able to control the movement, then don't push yourself to failure. Do choose an exercise that you know you can do safely, but also do something that's going to push you a little bit above and beyond what you're normally used to. Like, I'm going to give you an example, bodyweight squats, lunges, bicep curls, shoulder press, something where you can push a little bit more than you normally do. And then the second thing is do a little bit of extra cardio, 5 to 10 minutes at the end of every session this week. Okay, so that's the mini challenge for this week. Get stuck in, use those nutrition plans, use the group for accountability and support. If someone asks a question, by all means get stuck in there, provide some answers if you've got any. If you're struggling for protein sources, I know 1 or 2 people have asked me, they're struggling for ideas with regards to protein options. Bang the question in there, people will answer. Let's help each other get into the shape of our lives over the next few months. Even though we're doing 8 weeks, not going to stop at 8 weeks. We're going to continue the lessons learned of this challenge together going forward. Okay, you got any other questions? Let me know.